What are ACE inhibitors? Let's delve deeper into their functions. They block enzymes, turning angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2. This helps your blood vessels to relax and improve circulation, making it easier for the heart to feel and express love. Medications that have names ending in pril include Lisinopril. Remember this helpful mnemonic: ACE means arteries chill easy. This medication treats hypertension and heart failure. Be alert for a dry cough that continues without stopping. Always remember to check blood pressure prior to dosing. Monitor potassium levels and assess kidney function regularly. Teach patients to change their positions slowly and carefully. Avoid use during pregnancy or if there is a history of angioedema. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.